Welcome to another episode of Food and Friends. It's good to see you. I hope all is well in your neck of the woods. Give thanks for life. Today, I'll be making a simple dish. It's fast and simple, but delicious. And so it will be chickpea and shrimp salad. This dish is a little bit strange because you can have it hot and you can have it cold. So I like to have it both ways. So here we go. Okay, so I've put some oil in the pan, and I have the shrimp here. I added a little bit of garlic and onion powder and some salt to it. And these are the other ingredients that we'll be using for this quick dish. We have some bell peppers here, green onions, yellow onions, red onions, garlic, tomato, salt and pepper, and of course the chickpea. So I'm gonna add the shrimp to the pot. You want to hear that little sizzle. And this is a quick but tricky dish, is you don't want to overcook the shrimp. So it's all about timing, you know, when you're putting in all the other stuff in the pot. I like to give it a little boost with, actually before I put the wine in, let me put the garlic in, onions, green onions, red onions. Gosh, this is smelling great already. With a little stir. Now that everybody's in the pool, gonna make sure that all these onions and garlic and green onions are cooked. Then I'll add some bell peppers to the mix. Give it another little stir. Add a little bit of wine if you have it. If you don't, you can use beer, or you don't have to add anything. But I just use the wine to deglaze the pot. There you have it. I'll add some tomatoes to the pot. Add a little bit of garlic powder again. Then I'll roll in the chickpea. Man, the aroma that is coming from this pot, unbelievable. Smells yummy. Now, I want to give this a little bit of smoked paprika. And a bit of cayenne. Not a lot, because I still want to add some chili pepper to it, just to give it a little kick. And let it sit for a minute. Then you could add a bit of olive oil. to kind of finish things off. Isn't that beautiful? Look at it. Lovely dish. There you go. Gonna check. Make sure it is tasting very nice. So I do need to add a little bit more salt. And a bit more cayenne. We need that kick. Get a different spoon. Give it another taste check. Perfect. This is delicious. Okay, so here we have it. A nice pot of shrimp and chickpea, ready to be plated. This is one of my favorite go-to dishes. When I come home and I want something fast, this is my go-to dish. There you have it. A nice plate of chickpea and shrimp, and it's ready to be devoured because it looks so yummy and it smells so nice, and I can't wait to dig in. So let's see. This is delicious. Can you smell it from over there? It's delicious. So there you have it, guys. I want to thank you for watching this video, and you can try it at home. It's very simple. It looks nice and elegant, but it's simple to make. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember what we say around here: you don't have to eat fast food, just make good food fast. I'll see you in the next video. One love. Peace.